it's Cleofe again, and welcome to Crafting Shed. This is part 2 of the top tutorial pattern number 15, where I will continue from the crop style and make it into this piece where the length is in traditional style blouse. Let's get started. So in part 1, we ended the piece at this point. This is round 32. And our last stitch would be right here. From this last stitch, continue with rounds 33 to 39 by repeating rounds 17 to 20 consecutively. So instead of stopping at round 32 for the crop style, continue with the pattern and stop at round 39. And round 39 is a repeat of round 19 pattern. And this is what it looks like after round 39. And you don't have to stop at round 39. You can keep on going if you want your length longer. But it's important that we stop at round 19 pattern repeat. And round 19 pattern repeat looks like this. So at round 39, the length is at 16 inches. And from here, I will continue with the hip band. So hip band round 1, chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet in the next 2 chains. So starting here, 1, 2, double crochet in the next stitch right here, single crochet, then repeat this is what it looks like. Repeat the pattern, double crochet in the next 2 chains. 1, 2. Then double crochet in the next stitch, the double crochet stitch right here. Repeat, double crochet in the next 2 chains. 1, 2, and double crochet in the next stitch. So just basically double crochet in each stitch around. Repeat this pattern around. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the round. I'm here now towards the end of the round, so from here I'm just going to continue double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the last 2 chains right here, 1 and 2, then join with a slip stitch in the first double crochet right here. So this is how to end round 1 of the hip band, and this is what round 1 of the hip band looks like. Round 2 of the hip band, chain 2, 1, 2, front post double crochet in the next post. So in this post right here, yarn over, insert in the post through the front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then back post double crochet in the next post, yarn over, insert in the loop through the back like this, then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then repeat the pattern, front post double crochet in the next post, and back post double crochet in the next post. Yarn over, insert through the back, and do a double crochet. Repeat, front post double crochet in the next post, back post double crochet in the next post. So repeat this pattern around. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the round. I'm here now towards the end of the round, so I just did a back post double crochet. To continue, front post double crochet in the next post, back post double crochet in the next post, front post double crochet in the next post, back post double crochet. Then one more post, which will be a front post double crochet in the last post right here. Then join with a slip stitch in the space between the beginning chain 2 and the next post right here. So insert slip stitch like this to join. So this is how to end round 2, and this is what round 2 of the hip band looks like. Hip band round 3. This is repeat of round 2. So chain 2, front post double crochet in the next post, which is the front post double crochet of prior post. Then back post double crochet in the next post. Repeat the pattern, front post double crochet in the next post, back post double crochet in the next post. This is what it looks like. So we created a ribbing. Then repeat the pattern, front post double crochet in the next post, back post double crochet in the next post. So continue this pattern around. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the round. I'm here now towards the end of the round, so I just did the front post double crochet here to continue, back post double crochet in the next post, then last stitch front post double crochet in the last post right here, then join with a slip stitch in the space in between the beginning chain 2 and the next post, like this. So this is how to end round 3, and this is what round 3 looks like. Round 4, just repeat round 3. So for my piece, I just did one more round, but you can add more rounds to get to your desired hip band width. And this is now what the piece looks like after 4 rounds of the hip band. So our last stitch is right here. So this will be the back side of the piece. This is what it looks like. And then if I flip this, the other side, this is the front side of the piece. And at this point, we're done. Weave the ends, clean up the tails, and we're done. And this is now what the piece looks like, all cleaned up and all done. For the measurements, the length from the neckline all the way down is about 18 inches. The width is about 19 inches. The neck opening is about 9 inches with a depth of about 2 inches. And for the arm opening, I crocheted 1 round of single crochet around to give it a clean finish. And the arm opening measures about 6 inches. If you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and please subscribe.